I don't think I ever told you about what I do for work. Right now I'm in a playground, inspecting playground equipment that we built. We've been working with technology-enhanced playground equipment to build it into the environment. It's a collaboration between landscape architects and interaction designers. So, landscape architects talk a lot about traces in the environment and how you build sight lines and things like that. And we are working a lot with how interaction works, how digital interaction works. And now we've been using it together to build sight lines that are digital. So for example, down here we are building a playground, an ordinary playground so to speak. And then there is this hill, and up the hill we have these digital poles with lights and sounds on them. So from that place down there, these poles will help you be guided up the hill through a game of running and catching the lights. So those are the kind of things that we are doing in our projects. And right now we are working in a new project called Play It, where we are focusing on how the interaction works and how we can change the interaction and let children that are at the playground themselves be involved in making those interactions. Most of the documentation so far is in Swedish, but there will be publications in English as well, and I will talk about it in this channel in the future. So keep an eye out for that. See ya!